your sights, force the mistake. Car right, clear right. Alright Ian, you've had some suspension damage there, stay out. Okay Ian, keep piling on the pressure, he'll make a mistake. Left side. Still there. Clear left. Big Step is now in the lead. Car right, right side's clear, left side, you've had a bit of suspension damage, clear left. Car left. Push now, the guy behind is catching, clear left, nice pass. Car left. Temperatures look good. Car right, right side's clear. On your right, clear right. 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes.